What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this new video, how to get traffic for affiliate marketing. I will show you three types of traffic. Actually these three types of traffic are exist in online marketing. I will discuss about all the three types of traffic and it will help you to get traffic for your affiliate marketing. Okay guys, I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JBJU and many other affiliate networks and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing by online marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. So guys, I am so much excited to discuss about how to get traffic for affiliate marketing, and I will discuss all these three types of traffic. And number on traffic type is traffic you can control. Number two, traffic you don't control. And number three, traffic you own. Okay, I will discuss all the three types of traffic. So guys, first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all the new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. You see here, it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. I can assure you if you subscribe my YouTube channel, you will never be disappointed, you will never be frustrated to check all the videos. Okay guys, and if you want to make big money, okay, if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation here or check my video description. You see here, make 10,000 per month affiliate commission here, you see it. And you see here, get unlimited buyer traffic, then you can check my recommendation. Okay, now I will discuss all these three types of traffic. Number one, traffic you can control. Okay, traffic you control. Traffic you control. In this category, this traffic is available that you can control. Okay, if I say Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, native ads, buying solo ads, all these traffic sources are under control of you. Okay, if you want instant traffic, then you can run Google ads, you can run Facebook ads, you can run native ads, or you can buy solo ads. So all those traffic sources are in under control. So yeah, I run Google ads for getting my traffic. You see here, it's my Google ads stat of this month. So if you want to control your traffic, the first category, then you can run Google ads, or you can run Facebook ads, you can run YouTube ads, or you can run native ads, or you can buy solo ads. By how you can control your traffic, it's under control you. If you invest huge money, then you will get huge traffic. If you invest a low money, then you will get a low traffic. It's all depends on you. So this type of traffic under control with you. Okay, now category number 2, traffic don't control. In this category, this type of traffics are available that you have don't control. Do you know which traffic this is? It's organic traffic. Okay, if you such as if you build a website, okay, or if you make YouTube videos, then you will get organic traffic, and in this case your traffic is not in under your control. Okay, so it's one of my website. I want to say it. You see, it's one of my blog site, and I post here on the daily basis. You see it, okay. And if you want to build a website, blog site, or if you want to make videos this, like this, like this, then you have don't control your traffic. You have to make helpful content day by day. Okay, if you can continue it making helpful content, then day by day you get traffic, and it's the free source of organic traffic. You can if you can grow your traffic sources once, then you will get traffic for a lifetime. Okay, so you have to uh, make helpful content, helpful video. You see here how to promote ClickBank products free. Okay, how to download PLR products for free, how to promote CP offers with Instagram, all the helpful content. Okay, on the other hand, if you see my YouTube channel, then you see here how to promote affiliate links with YouTube for free, how to start affiliate marketing to 2021, how to make money with CPA marketing for free, the free ClickBank affiliate marketing tutorial, all the helpful content. So you have to create helpful content if you want to get organic traffic for free. Okay, and in this case your traffic is not your control. You can get one traffic, you can get two traffic, you can get 100 traffic, you can get 1000 traffic, you can get 1 million traffic. It's depend on your website, it's depend on your YouTube channel, YouTube video. So you have to continue uh, creating helpful content. It may be video content, it may be blog content. Okay, and it's the second type of traffic, and this traffic has don't control. Okay, now I will discuss number three, and it's traffic you own. Do you know where is this traffic? Yes, it's email. Okay, you see here, it's email traffic. If you have email or if you have bad email list, then you can promote any product, any offers in any time. It's all depends on you. It's your own traffic, and this traffic you own, this category depends on both types of category: traffic you control and traffic you don't control. By this two way you can own your traffic. Okay, you can say how it possible, or I don't understand it. Okay, fine. If you make a blog website, okay, fine. If you make YouTube videos, okay, fine. Or if you run Google Ads, okay, fine. You can choose any of the traffic sources, or if you if you have all the traffic sources, then you see here where you can get your own traffic by this. Suppose you open this post, or you search this post. You see here, you see this it's my post, it's my blog post. Now you see here, start your dream lifestyle. Okay, click this link. Okay, It's loading. Wait for it. Okay, you see here inside my blog post I put a lot of call to action. You see here it's my another call to action, and you see here it's my another call to action. And when you visit any of the okay, you see here when you click any of the call to action inside my blog post, then you will see this page, and you see here it's my landing page, it's my bridge page. And when you enter this page I collect email. Okay, when someone visit my bridge page or visit my landing page, I collect a email. Okay, at the same way when someone visit my YouTube description and I collect a email like this. Okay, and if you can use your control traffic and don't control traffic, then this combine you can generate your email list, you can get your email list. And if you can grow your email list, then you will get the best result and it's your own traffic. You can promote any offer at any time. Okay, so guys, all these three traffics are you can traffic you control, traffic you don't control, and traffic you own. So at the first I repeated all the traffic again. Traffic you can control, inside it you can run Google ads, you can run Facebook ads, you can run YouTube ads, you can run native ads, or you can buy solo ads. Okay, traffic don't control. In this case you have to grow your organic traffic sources by building a website like this or making YouTube videos like this. Okay, and type 3, traffic you own. Okay, in this case you can generate email list, okay, by your inside your YouTube videos or inside your um, Google ads or inside your blog post. Okay, using all these traffic sources you can own your email list. Okay, so guys, that's it. And if you want to get any individual traffic trending, then comment in the comment box, I will make those individual traffic related video. Suppose if you want to know how to run Google ads, then comment in the comment box, I want to learn more about Google ads. Or if you want to build a website like this, then comment in the comment box, I want to make a website or blog site, a helpful content related website or blog site, then comment in the comment box. Or if you want to know how to make YouTube videos and how to grow YouTube channel, then comment in the comment box, I will make this related videos. And how to and if you want to know how to make money running email marketing, then comment in the comment box, I will make this type of videos. So guys, it's all the three types of videos to generate traffic for your affiliate marketing. If you can run all those traffics, then you will get huge traffic in various ways. It may be paid traffic and it may be organic traffic, and by the combination of this traffic you can generate your email list. And if you have generated your email list, then you can promote any offer, you can promote any product, you can promote any service at your own wish. Okay guys, that's it. So try to grow your traffic sources. Traffic is the key to online success. If you have traffic, then you can make make sales, you can make commission. Otherwise you will never make a single dollar. So you have to do everything for getting traffic. So guys, by following all those methods, all those ways, you can generate unlimited traffic for your affiliate marketing. So guys, that's it. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all the new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. And if you want to get unlimited traffic, then you can check it. So guys, if you like this video, then like this video. If you have any question about this video, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video with others, with your friends and families. So guys, that's it. And if you want to learn elaborately any of these traffic sources, any of the traffic method, then comment in the comment box. I will make this related videos. So guys, that's it. See you soon. God bless you. Bye.